We're going.
Where are we going?
I need you right now.
Yes, we are. Good morning. It is New Year's Eve and we are leaving tomorrow on our trip. If you've not seen our trip announcement video, I'll link it down below and in the iCard so you guys can go watch that and see all of the details about our trip. But we're leaving tomorrow. And yes, I am still sick. I have bronchitis. If you've been watching my other videos, I've been struggling. I'm feeling better today. Still hoarse, still congested, and I have to take breaks doing stuff because I'll just get hot and that just makes me feel even worse. But hopefully I'll keep feeling better each day, and by the time we get to our destination, I'll be completely better and ready to enjoy our little mini vacation that we're starting the year off with. I am really excited. I wish I felt good because one of my favorite parts of traveling is packing and like planning. I love to pack, and I'm just trying to get up the energy to start packing. I had planned to do a complete day in the life video for you guys today. Usually I clean my house from top to bottom. I get it spotless because I cannot stand to go on a trip and leave a messy house behind. I don't like coming home to a messy house. I like to get caught up on laundry, so when we come back I just have trip laundry to do. I always clean the boys' car seats and then I pack, and I always clean house first because I like my house to be nice and neat when I start packing. But yeah, I am not going to be cleaning my house from top to bottom today. I do not feel like doing it. I did straighten up our bedroom and bathroom, so that is done. Our guest bathroom and guest bedroom are clean. I do need to clean up the kitchen and the living room. Downstairs is neat, and then I got to tackle the boys' room. They've been in there playing all morning. It's not bad. We just need to clean up the toys. So I am going to get things straightened up, but I am not going to be deep cleaning like I usually do. I just can't do it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just a little glimpse of how our little family of 4 prepare for a trip. We are driving from Tennessee to Florida. Yeah, so I'm excited. Let's start prepping for our trip. I got the kitchen all cleaned up. Our kitchen and dining room is spick and span. Got all the dishes done and cleaned everything, the countertops, the floors. It looks good now. And honestly, I feel a little bit better about my house. Once my kitchen's clean, I feel like the rest of my house won't be that hard to tackle. Now I'm just sitting here resting because cleaning the kitchen wore me out. So I'm sitting here resting, and then I'm going to tackle the living room, and then the boys' room, and then we're going to start packing. Oh goodness. I'm excited to start packing, but I just can't let myself do it till the rest of the house is clean. I just can't do it until I finish cleaning up. Something within me won't let me pack while my house is a disaster. Alright, I done the Walmart mobile pickup and got some toiletries for our trip. I got some more contact solution, some of the boys' cleanser and lotion. They used to see the feel. I got me some more coconut oil mist for my hair, some travel conditioner, because I'll just use Ryan shampoo so we don't have to take 2 different kinds of shampoo. I got me some deodorant. I got the boys some Cetaphil wipes, and then I got a new travel toothbrushes and another thing of lotion. I didn't realize I had ordered 2, but there's 2 right there. Oh, and I did get diapers and wipes too. So it is 5:30 in the evening, and I am just now starting to pack. We are about, I don't know, 12, 14 hours away from when we actually leave. And I think this is the latest I've ever waited to start packing. So I think I'm going to start with toiletries since I've got all this stuff out that I just picked up at the Walmart pickup. So let's pack our toiletries. I just bought this 4-pack so the boys will have adult toothbrushes when they travel. That's just the way that it's gonna be. And then we already have flossers in here, and let me make sure we have extra contacts for both of us. Because Ron, runs. When I say it, Helen's runs. That was right. So Ron has 2 sets. I have 1 set. I'm gonna grab another one because I wear the dailies, but I switch them like every couple days. So 2 sets would do me for 4 days, and that's about as long as our trip. So that'll work. And then if I have to wear my glasses, then that's fine too, because I don't care. I've got a hairbrush. Okay. Now let's go through all of this stuff. We like this little travel bottle, but it's about easy. So I just went ahead and bought 2 large packs because I'm hoping I can just refill it. I don't think I can get the lid off of this. So we're probably gonna have to take a big one. In there as well. And then we have razors and a travel shaving cream. Okay, so this is the way that I pack. I imagine myself in the shower, and I know that we need shampoo, wash our hair, and then I need my conditioner because I got me a travel size conditioner. And you need soap, and then shaving cream and razors if you're gonna shave. And then when you get out of the shower, this might be a funny way to do it, but this is the way that I always make sure I'm packing everything. So then when you get out of the shower, we use lotion, which I'll just take one. This is the boys' soap and shampoo. I do use it on their hair too. Here's my deodorant, my husband's deodorant. And then our contact solution. These wipes, I use on the boys a lot. Sometimes Pampers or Huggies wipes can break them out. And if I start seeing that maybe there might be starting to break out, then I will use the Cetaphil wipes on them. So I'm going to take these. I do already have coconut oil for my hair. I already put that down. What did I do with that? I just saw it. So I'll keep that for here. Right? What's wrong? Oh, it's in here. Here it is. That's for my hair. Okay. Alright, so I think that's all as far as toiletries go for hair, skin, body. Cleanliness is all in there. Okay. Now I'm going to go through my makeup, because when I travel, I don't take all of my makeup with me. I just take the bare essentials. So I gotta figure out the best way that this works. And it may be that I take this bag, but I'll just organize it better and take out the stuff I'm not gonna need. So I'm not gonna need multiples. I will use this BB cream and this concealer. So I won't need these. I won't need this or this. I will use my oil and my Grande Lash MD. This is what I use to make my lashes grow at night, and this stuff is awesome. I have extra contacts in there. I'll keep those in there because you never know. I'm going to take out these two because I'm just not going to do heavy lip stuff. This is an extra mascara. This has quite a bit of nudes, but some colors in it, so I'll take that one. And I'll do this brush and this one, and then that's my eyeliner. This is my black eyeliner that I hardly ever wear, so I won't take that. I do wear bronzer and powder. I'll take my brushes for that. My eyelash curler, my mascara and eyebrow set, setting spray and blush. Okay. We'll organize this stuff. This is all extra stuff that I don't need to take. Guys, I've got most of our stuff packed up. I went ahead and packed the boys' bag. My husband just likes getting his clothes together, and we're pretty much ready. It's going to be a short trip, so we don't have to pack a ton of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life, the day before our vacation starts video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know what kind of stuff you all do before you go on a trip. And do you like for your house to be neat and clean when you're going on a trip? Am I just weird in that way? I don't know. Let me know. Hopefully I will get completely better, but I am calling it a night. I'm going to get up early in the morning and finish the last few things that I have left. So I will see you guys next time. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.